So today we'll be unboxing the Liverowing wireless earbuds. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unboxed, news, reviews and more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I'll list all the details and everything else I forgot. Also, don't forget to smash, obliterate and destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And let's jump into this exciting unbox. Okay, so let's get to unboxing this piece of technology. On the back, I think, yeah, that's the front. So we have true wireless headset. It doesn't actually have the brand here, is it? Yeah, we have it here, Liverowing. So version 5.1 shows a print here, not sure why, we'll see in a minute. The play time is about 5 hours, not bad, I would say. Yeah, let's see on the sides, what do we have? Real and wireless, not sure what that means. Wireless and unlimited, okay. Volume and music, yeah. Now on the other side, the same thing. We also have battery capacity and nothing on the bottom, nothing on the front. And we have how it looks on the back. So it doesn't actually have any seals, so we just pop it off like this, really easy. And oh, something dropped. Okay, so nothing else in this box, we don't need it. I'll just take the thing that jumped off. And let's see, so we have a cable, sort of manual, wireless headset, TWS 5.1, okay. Right, we'll leave this on the side and let's check the case first. I really like taking these things off. Oh, it's a bit transparent, interesting. It does look like a chip case, though. I hope they sound okay. Not good, just okay. Let's open it. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah. Let's see the earbuds. It's hard to take them out for some reason. It's plastic. Alright, they're not bad. See some buttons here. And let's put them in the case. We can open it. Oh, it has magnets. It goes straight away. Charges. Nice. Actually, it looks kind of cool with the see-through case. So that's the charging cable for the case, most probably. That's out, that's in. Okay, so you can charge something else apparently. I don't know what, because the battery on this one is not that big. So we have for the ear other pairs of things. Yeah, for every ear. Usually headsets come with this type of things, so they can fit properly in your ear. I will put that one on the side as well. So that's about everything you get. Okay, now let's get into some testing. I also have my iPhone SE here, as you know. So let's get them out. In this case, for some reason, it's hard to open. I don't understand why. Maybe we need to open it more times. Yeah, and now if you take them out, they're like the police siren doing the lights. Let's try and pair them with the phone. And we have them with just F9, other devices F9, that's all. Oh, I heard something connected. I can see the battery level looks almost full. Now I'm not sure what's the proper way to use them. Probably like this, right and left. They are a bit weird, I think. I think they're better up. Let's hear some songs now. For a pair of such a small earbuds, they're not that bad. But the bass is not quite there. I mean, it has some of it, some of the bass. You know, I like my headphones with some bass and that really feel like rich. But this one's not bad. Like, I hope they're okay, but not impressive. So some of the advantages are that they are cheap and they don't look that bad, and the sound is okay. The bass is okay, not very good, just okay. On the line we have some buttons here that we can press to stop, to pause or play the music. Let's see if this other one works. Yeah, it's the same. So they have a small button here. The design is a bit weird how it goes in your ear. I mean, it feels like it's not properly going in your ear. Let's see some songs with more bass. This sounds a bit better. Maybe it was the song. I mean, the commercial sounded better than the music on the headphones. They are quite loud, so you can't listen to max volume. Yeah, I think they feel a bit better now. But still, it's like a normal pair of headphones. Nothing special, it's just that it's cheap. So if you don't have too much money or on a budget, it's not a bad pair of wireless earbuds. That's what I would say. They don't feel like they're gonna go out of my ears. They're fine. Overall, not bad. So as soon as I put them in, they already disconnected. Let's see if they connected. Oh, so if you put them in the case, they will automatically disconnect, and if you take them out, they will automatically connect. Really nice feature to have. The case, it's average, I think. It's not that big, but not that small. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you're looking for the Liverowing wireless earbuds. And before I see you on the next one, let me know in the comments below what do you think about them. See you on the next one.